Hey everyone, Morgan here, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade instant oatmeal. It is super simple, just a few ingredients. First of all, oats and a blender. I'm going to be buying some powdered peanut butter and powdered honey, specifically so I can do this because I love peanut butter and honey in my oatmeal. But I'm going to just do this right now and improvise and do more later. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take 7 cups of oats and you're going to just grind them up. Grind it up really good. All right, then you can take a little bit of salt and put it in, like a half a teaspoon. And then you're going to put in 2 cups of the regular oats and put that in. 1 cup of powdered milk. I'm going to put in a little bit of cinnamon. I love cinnamon. I'm not even going to measure it. Whoop. All right, so now we're going to put in a little bit of brown sugar. It's like, I don't know, a quarter cup. All right, at this point, I've just mixed it all up and I've taken about a half a cup and I have put it into a Ziploc bag. So then you just write how much water you're going to add to it as well as the date that you package it. So it's 3/4 cup of water to a half a cup of this mixture. And again, putting the date is really helpful. You can add it in a Ziploc or a mylar bag or a vacuum seal bag or whatever type of bag that you like best. You can add whatever you want to this. Dehydrated fruits, you can add nuts. It just kind of depends on like how quickly you're going to use stuff. You can add a silica packet to it. You can put it in a vacuum sealed bag, and then put an oxygen or, do a mylar bag with an oxygen absorber, whatever you want to do. But these are really versatile and super, super easy. Have fun. Enjoy. Talk to you later. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Okay, bye. And here's what it looks like, all rehydrated, mixed up with the water. Oh, this was so good. I ate this so hard. Super delicious. Yummy. Enjoy.